Friends, and welcome back for part 3 of our D lesson. We are going to read our D book, and then we will do our dictionary page. Let's start with our sound chant. A says ah, 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 ah. B says b, 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 b. C says k, 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 k. D says d, 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 d. E says ah, 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 ah. F says f, f, f. G says g, 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 g. H says h, 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 h. I says I, 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 I. J says j, 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 j. K says k, 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 k. L says M says N says O says ah, 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 ah. P says p, 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 p. Q says qu, 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 qu. R says r, 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 r. S says s, 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 s. T says t, 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 t. U says ah, 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 ah. V says v, 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 v. W says w, 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 w. X says x, 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 x. Y says yeah, 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 yeah. Z says z, 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 z. D, d, duck. Quack. Look at those D's. There's a capital D and a lowercase d. You use capital letters at the beginning of a sentence or at the beginning of someone's name or the name of an important place. Maybe like Denny's. Have you ever been to Denny's? Duck. Dog. 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 Knock, knock, knock. Door. Dinosaurs. Dinosaurs. Dolls. Deer. We have a lot of deer that walk around in the yard outside of our school. Deer. Doctor. There's the doctor. He's looking in that boy's ear. D. Duck. D. Please get out your crayons, your colored pencils, and a regular pencil. Inside your folder, please find your D dictionary page. Here's mine. Let's look at the capital D and the lowercase d. Do they look the same? No, they look very different, don't they? In fact, this hump goes this way and this hump goes this way. Again, these are two letters you just need to recognize as D. Capital starts at the top, goes to the baseline, pick it up, and go around. D. D. Up to the dotted line, down to the baseline, up to the top line, down to the baseline. D. 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 Let's draw a dice. I think I'm going to use my black. Oops. Let's draw a die. A die. Here we go. It is the shape of a cube. It's made of 6 sides, 6 squares, but it's 3D and it's a cube. When I look at the top, I only see one side. So we're going to draw a square. Please draw a line below your D. Please draw a line going down that's about the same length. Please draw another line the same length going across the bottom and connect those corners. If you stop each time you draw a line, your lines will be straight and you will have corners. Let's draw 6 dots. Just like that insect, that ant that we drew yesterday had 3 legs on one side and 3 legs on the other side. This die has 3 dots going down. 1, 2, 3. And then it has 3 dots going down the other side. 1, 2, 3. And when you put 3 and 3 together, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Let's draw another die. Then we'll have 2 die, or dice. So I'm going to draw a line going across, a line going down, a line going across, and a line going up. And let's roll our die. Now we have 4. There's a 1 dot in each corner. I see 2 and 2 more. So we'll make 2. And 2 more. What is 2 and 2 more? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Look at that. We have 1 die with 4 and 1 die with 6. I wonder how many that is all together. Maybe we can count all the dice. 4 dots plus 6 more is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 plus 6 is 10. Let's write the word dice. How many syllables in dice? Dice. 1 syllable. Let's see how many sounds. D, I, S. D, I. Ooh, I hear this, the letter I. D, I, S. D is the first sound. Find your dotted line, go a little bit below. Up to the dotted line, down to the baseline, up to the top line, down to the baseline. D, I. Dotted line to the baseline, pick it up. S. Now, typically you would hear an S, but sometimes C says S, especially when it's followed by an E. This E has a really important job in this word. First of all, that E makes the C say S and not K. Second, that E also makes that I say its name I. It's very magical. Now our word says dice. Let's make a donut because donuts are delicious. And donut and delicious both begin with D. I'm going to use brown. And I will make a circle. Please make a circle for your donut. Whoops. And inside your donut, make a small circle. Leave your brown out. And decide what kind of icing you want. I think I want my icing to be pink. You can choose your color. Make a wiggly line around your circle. Then make a wiggly line near your larger circle. In between these 2 pink lines, color it pink. This is your icing. And sometimes when you have icing on your donut, the donut shows through. So I'm going to, where the white is on my donut, I'm going to color it brown. That's like the cake of my donut. And I happen to like rainbow sprinkles on my donuts. So I'm going to add some purple sprinkles. I'm just making little lines. And I'm going to add some red sprinkles. Oh, this looks like maybe a dark pink, not red. And I'm going to add some green sprinkles to my donut. That looks good enough to eat. It looks delicious. How many syllables in the word donut? Let's clap. Dough, nut. Dough, nut. 2 syllables. What is the first syllable? Dough. D, O. The sounds are D, O. D, D, O. Oh, and it says its name. Oh, so I know it's an O. Dough, nut. N, a, t, nut. N, a, t. N, a, t. Donut. Donut. We labeled dice and donut for our letter D. Make sure that your pencil goes back into your bag. Oh, I forgot to write my name. Write your name so we know who it belongs to. Make sure all your crayons are put away. Put your D page into your envelope to come back to school on Friday. Friends, this was our lesson for D. D, like dog, donkey, donut, dice, and doll. We have a friend in our class named Devon, and Devon begins with D also. So does Donald. Eddie's real name is Donald, and Donald begins with D. So both of those names would begin with a capital D. Pretty cool. All right, friends, thank you for your attention and thank you for watching our D lesson. See you soon.